Hello again, YouTubers. I'm SpongeBob101 back here again on the Other Stuff channel here at Pokemon Center Nagoya. It's been a super long time since I wanted to visit here, and honestly, it's a little bit underwhelming based on the design after going to Kanazawa. But yeah, let's take a look at the Pokemon Center because it is actually pretty large. It's in the Matsuzakaya, something like that. I'll put the address in the description box below. But yeah, so Pokemon Center, let's go in. Oh, and before we do that, actually, I want to quickly bring you guys around the Pokemon Center. We have some standees from Hidden Treasure Area 0. The Pokemon Frienda game is now active. And then we've got a cashier section with a couple of statues of Sprigatito, Fuecoco, and Quaxley. On the back here, Pokemon Center. Again, this is the exit of the store. So yeah, Pokemon Center Nagoya. Anyway, now let's head into the store proper and take a closer look at what the store has to offer. So lots of new items actually, but some I've seen before, and definitely a lot of stuff that I actually do want to get. I passed on most of them in the previous Pokemon Center simply because I did not have space in the luggage. For example, this Terrestrial Ball, Terra Orb, excuse me, it's brand new. So it now has compatibility with the Pokemon Frienda arcade machines, and that's really cool. So I was thinking of ordering this off Amazon, but I think I'll actually pick up one here just, you know, for the collection in case I am unable to procure it through Amazon for whatever reason. Anyways, let's continue here. So we've got some bug-related stuff. We've got some books, the game codes you can buy, as well as the console. So you can buy the Pokemon Switch here as well. As of July 12th, 2024, the Pokemon Frienda game is active now. Got some stuff there, including a Chi-Yu bag. That's interesting. So coming over here, we've got some plushies. We've got more plushies of Tatsugiri, always very cute, and the Pokemon Fit. So these are the Pokemon dolls. Buzzwole. So Pokemon Go Plus Plus. I do have one of those. It's really cool to have. I'm not sure what promotion that is, but yeah. We also got the Pokemon Peaceful Place stuff. Come around here, we got a Monster Collection figures, as well as a whole bunch of plushes featuring various Pokemon. Assorted items. And of course, this is the birthday promotion. More Pokemon Fit. Surprisingly, they do not have 100% Zygarde or the 10% Zygarde. I thankfully got the 10% Zygarde at the Pokemon Center in Kyoto, and I saw the same in Kanazawa's Pokemon Center, which I believe would be the previous video in order of recording. But yeah, we've got some posters for the anime as well. Very, very cool anime going so far. Pokemon Horizons. But yeah. Okay, then come around here. More Pokemon Fit.
Yeah, I don't know the exact
let's see. Okay, we got those. Now heading over, we got some Pokemon Frienda merch. You can see they have like the starter packs, the binders. So we got some binders here. We've got a starter, tabs, that's what they call them. Pretty cool. So these ones on the back, that's what they look like. We got a case as well for storing your tabs. And now, of course, I showed you guys the Terra Orb earlier. So yeah, file folders. This is really nice. It says Pokemon Center. Well, actually, it's just like a card, so nothing too special about that. Now, coming over this side, we do have the bugs again. Treasure Way Home merch. Whole bunch of card sleeves, as well as all the packs you can buy right now. Starter decks as well. Very cool. You can get these for $5.50 each. So, you know, Japanese Pokemon cards just feel cheaper in the sense that you can obtain them easily, as opposed to, well, you know, $3.99 a pack or whatnot. I'm really looking forward to the Stella Miracle set, which is that one right there. Coming around here, we've got some keychains of the Gen 5 Pokemon. Okay, actually Gen 4 as well. And they're coming all the way down to Gen 9. So yeah, you do have Zygarde. That's really cool. So this keychain set consists of Zygarde's, you know, core, as well as everything else. I'm not sure how much these are, but these are really cool, especially because, you know, for Zygarde you have 4 of them, 4 different forms. Again, more Pokemon Frienda stuff. And now, these are the, I believe, latest designs for the sleeves. We have this cool Pokemon card game zone, which is, you know, where players can just come and play against each other. Some storage boxes and binders. We do have a couple of sleeves back here. Coming around here, we have some household kitchenware items, pouches, neck straps. So yeah, a lot of the miscellaneous items there. And then of course all the standees, including for the stars. So this one I've never seen before. This is a, you know, promoting the Blueberry Academy. You can get extra, well, the first partner Pokemon is what they're calling it. So over here we've got more random stuff, including some cool patches of Rayquaza. And umbrellas, as well as the gacha section. So yeah, I think that's basically it. Oh, I should show you guys the socks. Whole assortment of them. More home kitchenware items. Pouches. Snacks. And then of course over here, if you buy the decks, these actually contain sleeves. So you can either have Charizard or Chien-Pao. And these don't come in too cheap either. They're like 3,000 yen, which is not too bad. I mean, this, I presume, is like a premium deck. So you got a Terra Dark Charizard EX in it. So it says Battle Master Deck, Terrestrial Lizardon EX. And on the back, you can see there is a Arceus V-Star in there. So you do get like your value out of it. You got the sleeves. And then of course the Chien-Pao. So Chien-Pao, or Pao-Jian in Japanese, Battle Master Deck. And this comes with the Origin Palkia V-Star. Some extra boxes here featuring Ogerpon. That is about it, actually. So that is the Pokemon Center here in Nagoya. Now it's time for me to go purchase the stuff that I want to get. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys again in the next Pokemon video coming real soon. This is the last Pokemon video or Pokemon Center visit of the trip here in Japan in July 2024. But yeah, a really fun trip overall. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.